What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make this succulent brown stew pork. So here are my ingredients that I will be using. And Vibes fam, guess what? This pork has been sitting in the freezer for like 2 or 3 months. About 3 months, yes. So you know, nice, thoroughly seasoned. Yes, that's this pork. So here I'm pouring a little bit of oil in the pot and some brown sugar, and I'm gonna caramelize the sugar. So you don't have to do it this way in terms of caramelizing the sugar, but I love the taste that it gives. So this is it. So yeah, Vibes fam, you don't have to do it this way where you pour all the meat in all at once and then just continually stir. But I didn't have the time. So what you can do if you have the time is when you pour the meat in, you ensure that they are brown properly on one side and then you flip them over individually. That way, trust me, you get them nice and beautifully brown. But I didn't have the time, so I just went ahead and do it this way. So yeah, now that that is complete, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm adding some chopped up garlic. So once you sear all the meat, everything get a little heat on it, you add the minced garlic, right? And then you're gonna stir, push the meat to the side, and we're pouring some water on it. Now, well, to the side. So don't ever add cold water to your pot, right? Always have some boiled water to the side and you add the boiled water gradually. Take that fat piece and put it in the middle. So yeah, I'm gonna add some more water, and I prefer to just take my time and add the water so that to ensure that I don't drown the meat. So I'm gonna cover it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So Vibes fam, if you're not the type that is going to watch your pot, I always set a timer. I tell Alexa 20 minutes and then once she alarm, I run come and look at my pot. But if you're not like that, add more water. Just don't add too much water. So yeah, I give it a stir and look at the gravy coming along. And then I added some more water, right? And I'm just trying to get the water everywhere. So look, I'm testing it, and yes, it is going through. The fork is going in there. So we are almost there, but we are not there yet, right? So yeah, we're still gonna go ahead and cook. So I'm gonna add a little more water, and then I'm gonna cover it and give it another 20 minutes. Well, I'm gonna add some more stuff first. So here I'm adding some pimento seed or pimento berries, and then I'm going in with some grated ginger. Yes, you can just chop up the ginger if you want, but I always grate the ginger. I prefer it that way. So cover it for another 20 minutes. Just gorgeous. Look at the beautiful color. It is coming along so well. So I'm seeing something that I don't like. Look at the amount of oil. By the way, these things, pork and so, yes, you're going to get a lot of oil. Pork, oxtail, yes, those things will spring a lot of oil. So I'm going to use my spoon and scoop it out. Scoop a loopa duper, get it all out of there. Not everything, because I don't have the time for that. But this is what I got from that one side alone. So yes, stir it up. And over the other side, I spot some more oil, and I'm like, you got to go. So I took that out too as well. Then I'm pouring in some more hot water, and then I'm gonna get everything in the middle, and then I'm gonna add some nice beautiful veggies. Well, let's test it first. Did you see how that fork went through that porky? Yes. So don't only stick one piece, stick many pieces. Right, stick a couple pieces to see where we're at. Push that meat to the side again, and we're adding some more water. Yes, add your water, and then now the niceness, add all your nice little veggies. So I'm adding all the sweet peppers, scallion and thyme, onion, and give it a stir. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Beer stirring. And then here is the oil I'm showing you. I got 2 containers of it out of the pot. So I'm gonna add some ketchup and vibes from something. I had to run from the stove. So by the time I came back, the veggies were a little bit more cookie. But anyway, I'll show you that part next. So here I'm adding some black pepper, and then I'm gonna stir. And so this is where I had to drop everything and run. So I went away a little bit, but I came back. Yeah, as you see, the vegetable them kind of cooked down. So I added a little bit of sugar because vibes some taste as you go along. When you're cooking, taste your pot, please. So it was a little bit too tangy. So I added some sugar and a pepper, and I'm gonna cover it for 20 minutes. Look at niceness vibes, fam. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Do you see that shaky meat? Look at shaky meat. Oh my goodness. You can tell that it is so juicy, just succulent and soft. Oh my. I feel a spirit. Look at it, and look at the gravy. Is gravy in? Yes, not no water. It is actually gravy. And vibes, fam, here we have it. Here we have this beautiful, delectable, succulent pot of what? Brown stew, hear about jerk pork. Jerk pork you have in your mind? No. Brown stew pork. Come on, brown stew pork. Come to the front of the line looking like you looking so beautiful. Yeah. Vibes are just so beautiful. What would you have this with? Let me know. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.